You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this name, as well as how to say more interesting medical terms. Stay tuned. Loads to learn on this channel. An expression, a name from French. Tache Noire. Tache Noire. So because it's French, CH is pronounced like SH, so Tache Noire. In French, for reference, it's said as Tache Noire. Tache Noire. So in English, Tache Noire, meaning black stain. Tache is French for stain. Noir is French for black. Tache Noire. Now you know it all, I think. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps. More videos where you're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.